Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our final day, day 3 of our sessions at GMIS. I'm Nadira Tudor, and I'll be guiding you for this part of the day, and there will be an end of summit official closing ceremony later on, which will commence at 12:30. First on our program is a panel discussion lasting an hour, looking at the future of the artificially intelligent manufacturing sector. This panel discussion will be followed by a session called Flash of Insight, how new age companies are using connectivity and the Internet of Things to gain a competitive edge. This will start at 11:15. This is going to be a fascinating 15-minute insight by Rahul Vijay, Global Head of Connectivity at Uber. So let's begin now. I'll hand over to Ryan Chilcote, Special Correspondent PBS NewsHour, who will be your moderator for our first session, and that's about the artificially intelligent manufacturing sector, the future of work, Industry 5.0, learning, and human-centric automation. Ryan.